Looking for job roles of executive, associates, Python developers, and many more? Then Freshers Camp has got your back, as Freshers Camp provides you with all these job roles, fresher updates from the multinational companies itself. So today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Capgemini of Campus Recruitment 2025, where they're hiring freshers as Python developer. So if you're the one who is interested in it and wants more information in this, then hold on and watch this video till, as we will provide you with the detailed information regarding it and the step-by-step guide and also the direct link to apply for it right in our description box. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more such future updates. If you are the one who are from the batches of BTech or 2023 to 2024 and have this BTech degree, then you can apply for it, as it is open to fresher candidates as well, and the job location will be Bangalore, India. Candidates can expect one of the best salary in industry and it will be according to the company standards. So what are you waiting for? Go enroll yourself ASAP by filling all the details, and you need to check all the details before applying, which you will be presenting before you. Candidates need to have 0 to 4 years of experience in this field and should also have good communication skills. Candidates need to apply scientific method and solve the engineering problem, should be responsible for the development of the software engineering practice, knowledge in research, design, development, and also maintenance. Should require the exercise of the original thought and judgment of the candidate. Should also have the ability to supervise the technical ability and the administrative basis of the software problems. Need to build skilled offer software engineering disciplines to reach the standard software skill expectations. And they should collaborate and act as a team player with other software engineers as well. Apply scientific method to analyze and solve the engineering problems, should act as a team player and also stay in collaborative relation with the other stakeholders as well. So these were some of the information regarding this fresher job update. Now if you're interested to apply, you can apply for it in very easy steps, as we provide you with the direct link right in our description box, which will be opening up to the official website of this company, Capgemini, where you will find all the job related information has been given, such as the job location, the degrees, as well as the batches they belong to, the job location, and many more. And you will find there that apply now option is given. So if you're interested, you have to click there and you will get two stances. That is a login option if you already have an account in this job website, or if you are new to it, then you have to register yourself first, and the basic details such as the name, email ID or phone number. This will be the basic details which they have been asking for, and after filling each of them, your application process will be completed by either logging in or registering yourself. So I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have any query or face any issue, comment down in our comment box section and we'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible. This is Reshi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with more such regular job announcements of IT jobs, diploma jobs and many jobs in front of you. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more such future updates. Keep our channel subscribed and watch on a daily basis if you want to get recruited in one of the multinational company. Meet you in our next video. Till then, take care. See you.